Hi guys, let's solve this problem. Citim n numere naturale și afisam cel mai mare număr care conține cel mai multe cifre 0. So when you look to this example, this number and this number have the most number of zeros. They both have 2 zeros, but out of them, this one is the biggest number. And when you look to this example, only this one has 0, so it is the biggest number with the maximum number of zeros. And in this example, this is the biggest number with the maximum number of zeros. So let's delete the previous example. So I will have my variable n and I will read my variable n, and now I'm going to create a loop that runs n times. In the loop, I'm going to read number x. First, you have to declare your number x, and now I must go through all digits of x and see how many zeros it has. So let's create variable zeros, and I want to go through all digits of x. So while x is bigger than 0, you will eliminate the last digit of x. But before it, you want to check if the last digit of x is equal to 0. If it is, you will increase zeros by 1. So for the first number, you will have some value for this one, and if you continue for the second number, it will just continue adding on. That's why before starting this operation, you want to reset your variable zeros for each number. And now let's create variable max zeros, which is 0 at the beginning, and max, which is 0. So max zeros is the maximum zeros of any number, and max is the number itself. So I want to check if zeros of the number is bigger or equal to max zeros. If it is, so well, first of all, let's check if zeros is bigger than max zeros. If zeros is bigger than max zeros, max zeros will be zeros, and the maximum number will be x. No, it cannot be x because I lost all digits of x. That's why I need a copy of it. And after reading it, I will get the copy of my x, and I want to say that maximum is equal to the copy. But there may be a situation where the maximum number of zeros are the same, but the number itself is the biggest number. So in that case, I want to check if zeros is equal to max zeros, and at the same time, but the copy is bigger than maximum. It can be also the case, like in this example. So this will be my maximum number because it has 2 zeros. It will not be maximum, but here you see it has the same number of zeros, but the number itself is bigger. So for that case, I have to write this code. And in that case, the max zeros will not change, only the max will change. And now you have to print the number maximum. So after you finish your loop, you want to print your number maximum. Let's run it, and let's copy this example and paste it here. And this is the biggest number with the most number of zeros.